A Ukrainian drone attack killed one person in Russia's southwestern Oryol region, local officials said Sunday. AP reports 9 people were also wounded when a drone struck a residential building in the regional capital. A separate strike hit fuel storage facilities in Russia's Yaroslavl region, about 700 kilometers from Ukraine. Local authorities said the site caught fire after it was hit by a drone. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said his forces struck an oil facility that was important for what he called the reserve of the aggressor state. Kyiv has made energy infrastructure a central target. AP says Ukraine has increased attacks on Russian oil and gas facilities in recent months. Kyiv argues the energy sector funds Moscow's war and directly fuels the more than 4-year invasion. The oil pressure is not only happening by drone. Britain says its forces boarded and detained a sanctioned tanker in the English Channel, part of a crackdown on Russia's shadow fleet. AP reports Russia is believed to be using hundreds of ships to evade sanctions over the war. The drone strikes and tanker seizure both point to how central oil remains to the conflict.